What's going on YouTube? You already know it's the HemiTwinz back here with another video. You will need a 15mm ratchet wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, man. So I'm gonna just take you over here with me real quick. So the reason you'll need a 15 ratchet wrench because a 15 socket won't fit. There's no clearance. You're probably gonna have to take the bumper off or something. So you wanna get one of these nuts out of the bag and you wanna put it on this bolt right here and you gotta screw it on there. So yeah, and make sure your engine is not hot before you do this, cause yeah, that'd be bad look chief. Look out. So I'm gonna just snug tight that real quick with this 15mm. Next, you want to get the bracket itself and put it on that bolt, and then you want to grab the other nut and screw that on. So that's going to hold that in place. That on it, and make sure you got space between here. You don't want it to actually hit the actuator. So want to make sure it don't move. So the Phillips head screwdrivers is going to be for these two holes right here, and you want to line it up with the plate. One holding on there, and the other. Just make sure you snug it down. Don't overly tighten it. You don't want to pop the bolt or strip the threads inside. Alright. So where I just took this off, where this hole came out of down here on this silk right here. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just take the cover off of this. And to take this off, Uncle Lad, it's like you're struggling with taking this off because it's just on there, but you just want to move this tab right here and push up. So you just want to move this tab out the way. Cool. So you just want to. So to take this off, you just want to push down on here, like push down on the head of this, and then move this to the left and pull straight up, and it'll come straight out. So that's out. And this side right here is gonna go. I'm just trying to make sure I'm routing it good. So I got it going. I got this side going right underneath this bracket. And then now that side in there, and this side is gonna go straight back here, just like that, to the snout right there. To the snout, pull on it a little bit, make sure it's not dinging. So yeah, you just want to pull on both of those and make sure it's not coming off, and that's really it. It's a really simple and great install. So now you just want to put everything back together. So
Going on 3 rails, huh?
yeah.
Clip on 3 rails.
Alright, so the oil catch can is now activated. Like I said, this right side where the C at, this hose is gonna go underneath the bracket and go on the head of the engine. And this left side where the O, it's just gonna go right underneath that hose and go straight into the ported snout. So, and to take this off, you just go lefty loosey, righty tighty. So this mod right here is gonna save your engine a lot.
Yeah, so it's gonna save like the engine and the oil. Like if you ever do take the lid off your Hellcat, you'll see like oil at the top of the lid. That's bad.
So yeah, we just trying to save the car at the end of the day, man. Better be safe than sorry, you know? If you know, you know. But yeah, that's really a quick and simple, easy mod to do, man. Save your engine, man. If you got a Hellcat or a Scat Pack or RT, make sure you get an oil catch can and save your engine, man, before it's too late. If you want to say, if y'all want to see more videos just like this, man, let us know some more video ideas of what y'all want us to do on the 𝗏𝗘𝗍𝒑. And let's get this video to at least 30+ likes if y'all want to see more videos like this, man. Y'all already know it's the HemiTwinz, and we out.